In reality, there is no creator. There is no creation. In reality, there is no creation, no creator. It's just hoax. Few drops are here. What is this inside the glass? What is this on the surface? Is this creator and this is creation? Few drops are here. What is this inside the glass? What is this on the surface? Is this creator and this is creation? What do you understand? This is water in the glass, this is water on the table. And according to Bible, according to Quran, according to Torah, according to Talmud, this is creator, this is creation. It's water. There and there also. It's water. Saaz-e har qatra hai ana al-bahr. Every drop. Saaz-e har qatra hai ana al-bahr. Every drop of water is singing, I am the ocean myself. When God decided to manifest himself, he dived into abundance from unity. So he scattered, he diversified himself, and then declared small droplets of his own reality as his creation. It's just a label that you are creation and he is creator. You are part of the ocean. You're a droplet and he is the sea. But you came from him and to him you will return one day. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Everything came from God and to God will return. So as long as you are away from the ocean, you are creation. But one day you have to set back. And the day when you went back into the ocean again, where is the creation gone? तो ये मखलूक होना धोखा है जो तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आया. ये मखलूक होना, yes, to be part of creation is not reality. This is how it is depicted. This is how it is being acted. In reality, you are not different to God. In reality, your soul belongs to God. It came from God. You and I are nothing but an expression. We don't really exist. We are not truth. We are not truth when we are creation. We dive in the truth when our droplet of life plunges into the river of reality. We meet our origin and we become united with the essence of the truth. In reality, there is no God. In reality, there is no creation. In reality, there is only truth and its depiction. We are depiction and he is reality. La mawjood illa hu. La mawjood, nothing existed for except him. फिर असी कित्थों आए ने? Where did we come from? We never existed. So if we did not exist, do you think now do we exist? Only the expression exists. We still do not exist separately from God. We exist because God exists. We are representing the same divine existence in a different droplet. This is manifestation. Now this is water, and now this is droplets. Put them back into glass, it's water again. खालिक और मखलूक ये हादिस है. हादिस क्या होता है? That exists now, it did not exist before. That is hadis. So this is an expression. At the time of Moses, there was a guy who looked for God everywhere. Somebody told him they would find God in the rivers and seas. He went into rivers and seas and spent some time. He couldn't find God. Then he was advised by somebody to look for God on mountains, high peak mountains. And he went there and spent some time. He couldn't find God. And then somebody said Moses found God in the Mount of Sinai. So he went there. He couldn't find God. Now, he was taking his last breath. He was about to die. And his heart was full of sorrow. And in his heart, he said, "Oh God, where were you? I tried finding you everywhere but couldn't find you." And a voice came in his heart. "I was very close to you, my servant." And he said, "Close to me? Well, where? I looked for you everywhere. Where were you?" And God said, "You didn't look for me in your own heart. For my place is your heart." This is how close God is to us, but we don't look for Him in our heart. You will find Him within you. It's not anywhere else. Now, why would you find Him within you? Why? Because you parted with Him. Your portion of God is you and Him. It's you. Your key is you. And God's key is you. وَفِي أَنفُسَكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. I am in you. When will you see me? La mawjood illa hu. Nothing existed for except Himself. Okay? So when He manifested Himself, for example, this pot here, full of almonds. Yeah? So now He decided to be in many places. Here. Muslims are saying God is one. Hindus are saying there are many. But what they do not understand, it's not many gods. It's many manifestations of the same God. Hindus cannot put it right. Lack of words and understanding, clarity. Clarity is missing. There are not many gods. There is only one God. But there are many different manifestations and expressions of divinity. He is here, is very small, and this one is fat, this one is long. But these are not gods. These are manifestations. Muslims been told to believe in one God. Hindus were also told to believe in one God. What they do not understand is that Hindus were told about the expressions and Muslims were told about the essence of God. I mean, there is a problem between essence and expression. Otherwise, there is nothing wrong. What Hindus believe is right, what Muslims believe is right. Both are right, but then there is a fight. It's all about expressions.